Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every day. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to sew a one-off shoulder t-shirt with long sleeves and very unique detail at the bottom. Actually, I saw this kind of design on Pinterest at one point and want to own one. That's the reason why I make this and share the whole process with you all. I thought a little bit hard at the first, but it's actually simple and really quick to sew. Hope you like it and let's get started. I'm starting to make the pattern. Like always, I will develop it from a basic shirt. You can see the measurement number on it. When I got a basic shirt, I'm going to cut it up. From the center of neckline, go out 9.5 cm for each side and mark there. Now I'm gonna draw the straight line connecting two points to the center of right breast point. Then keep going to divide it into 5 parts, then cut it off. And at the left side, I will cut the breast dot and paste it together, just at the armhole. At the right side, I will do pole at the armhole and also the side. Next, back to the neckline. I'm going to paste them into another paper with a distance of 3.5 cm. Then I'm going to connect two outermost points with straight line together. Next, from the center, go down 1.5 cm and draw a curve line. But I think it's not necessary because I'll fold fabric at the neck part. Okay, let's cut the neck part out. Now I'm going to adjust the armhole and cut the exact part to create a new one. Moving on to the bottom. At the right side, go up 12 cm and mark it there. I got the first point. From the bottom, go inside 8.5 cm and mark it there. From there, go down 8 cm and mark it there. I got the second point. Now, I'm going to connect two points with straight line. Next, I'm going to connect the second point and the left bottom point with the straight line too. Okay, cut it, and I got a new bottom line. For the sleeve, I'm not showing you how to make, but it's really simple and easy, and the measurement number on it already. To making this kind of shirt, I picked up a kind of spandex fabric. It's called ribbed spandex in paint. It's thick enough, soft and smooth, really nice. Okay, let's cut our fabric. I will cut two identical panels apart this part. Remember, fold fabric at the neckline before cutting. For the sleeve, I also cut 2 identical panels. The neckline will be like this after folded. Now I'm starting place 2 parted pieces on each other and connect the V part on both sides together. To making this shirt, I just use my serger. The seam line is really nice and beautiful. Next, I'm gonna flip the neck part over and matching the seam point and pin this part together. It's the top of the armhole part. Then I'm gonna pin the sleeve into the armhole and stitching them together by my serger. It's a very beautiful seam line. Now it's time to connect the side from the end of the sleeve to the bottom of shirt by my serger. I will pin the cross point under the armhole to make sure it's matching together. When finished the left side, I'm gonna fold the shirt in half and cut off the excess fabric at the end of the right sleeve, and then just stitching the side together like the left side. Here I'm almost done. Now I'm just hand stitching the tail of threads at the end at the bottom of shirt and the end of the sleeves to finish. And here the final result. I absolutely love it. It helped me sew up my shoulder, but not too much. It's sexy enough. I pair it with a mini skirt that you can see neck with. Hope you love this shirt and my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next Thursday. Bye!